coordinators here at Nelson Family Orthodontics.
All right, well, while we wait to meet the famous Dr. Nelson, let us give you a little bit of a tour of our office and get to know us a little better. All right, by now you've probably already taken your x-ray in this room over here, or possibly taken a couple photos in either the treatment rooms or the records room right behind us. But this is also going to be our second TC room.
And this is our open bay area. We do have 8 chairs available, so whether you did clear aligners or braces, this is where we're going to bring you back and have you seated and get you all checked for your next appointment.
And this is our brushing station here. All of our patients are more than welcome to come back before appointments, get freshened up. We do have preloaded toothbrushes, so all you have to do is get them wet and they're ready to use.
Okay, and then this is our lab. This is where we sterilize all of our instruments, where we have our equipment, and then Dr. Nelson does like the best for our patients. So sometimes we do our NFL aligners in-house, which is done here in our lab, and our retainers as well.
All right, and we do have a little bit more of a secluded area over here for our patients who prefer a little bit more privacy. Just an additional couple chairs for our open bay.
All right, and that is the end of our office tour.
Yeah, we're so happy to have you here today, and we look forward to hopefully having you part of the NFO fam.